And moving into our next award category, this is number 1 in ortho, plastic surgery, diabetology and dermatology. Let's take a look at who our winner is.
IMS SUM Hospital Campus 1 is a leading center of excellence delivering advanced care across orthopedics, plastic surgery, diabetology and dermatology. The Orthopedics department offers comprehensive treatment in trauma, joint replacement, arthroscopy, spine and musculoskeletal oncology. Supported by Odisha's first QVIS robotic knee replacement system. The Department of Burns, Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery provides cutting-edge reconstructive, oncoplastic, burn and cosmetic care, helping patients regain function and confidence. Its renowned endocrinology department specializes in diabetes, obesity, hormonal and metabolic disorders, while contributing significantly to research and specialist training. Complementing these strengths is one of Eastern India's largest dermatology departments, equipped with advanced technologies and dedicated to comprehensive skin care, education and clinical excellence, serving thousands of patients every year.